This will be your final explanation of how electrovalent bonding happens between metal and non-metal. Since it takes only between metal and non-metal, I have used magnesium and nitrogen. So magnesium atomic number is 12, 282 is the electronic configuration, and this last one is called the valence electron, which will take part in the bonding. The rest doesn't take part. Nitrogen 5 will take part in the bonding. But the idea is that these two electrons should be given to nitrogen in such a way that nitrogen becomes 8 in the last shell, becomes octet, is stable. So we have used here only the valence electron. Since magnesium has 2 valence electrons, these 2 can be given to nitrogen, which has 5 in a valence electron, right? Yes, to make it 8. But giving only 2, it doesn't become 8, stable. It becomes only 7. One more it needs, we are using the other magnesium to give it to this. So therefore this also becomes 8. Now when this is given, you see that magnesium has not given 1. You cannot give like that. You can't have 2, 8, 1. So it has to be given. Now you have to use nitrogen again, atom here 5, and then that one is given here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It needs 2 more, right? Yes. 2. So I'm using another magnesium. So other magnesium can give 2, and now it's bonded. So therefore, magnesium loses electrons to nitrogen, and nitrogen gains electrons from magnesium in this way. So 3 atoms of magnesium becomes positively charged. There are 3 atoms of magnesium becomes cations. 2 atoms of nitrogen becomes anions. So when you make a molecular formula of a compound, then what we do is how many elements have taken part, how many atoms have taken part, we just cross multiply. It's like a cross multiplication in mathematics. So then it becomes like this. Magnesium nitrate. Are we clear on this one?
Yes.
Yes. We call this magnesium nitrate. So this is like a human relationship. It's like a relationship between a man and a woman. There's a man here, magnesium is a man, there's a woman here. This woman wants to have only 5 rupees but wants to have 8. So therefore this man just have 2 rupees. So he has to give 2 here. Understand? So since she doesn't become 8 by getting 2, she needs 1 more. She will have to ask another man which is similar to this man. Let's say another brother will have to give 1 more. It's like the relationship. Once this sharing is giving away and taking takes place, they build a relationship. If I give money to her, then she will be indebted to me, right? Because she has to give back my money. So we become friends. She needs 5 rupees, I'm giving her 5 rupees. So we become friends. Friendship is a bond. So in nature also, in chemistry, is bonding takes place. That's why we human being wants to have relationship, to have bond. A good bond will always have a stable formula of life. Life here relationship formula. Okay? If bonding happens. If your mother wants, let's say 3,000 rupees, and father gives 2,000 only, will mother be happy? No. Not stable, right? Mother will always be angry. If you want to buy a shoe, and the shoe costs about 1,500 and father gives you 1,000, will you be happy about that? No. Because you want to have a shoe which costs 1,500. You will become stable only when father gives you the shoe, which actually costs 1,500. Chemistry talks about human relationship in that way. Okay. Let's write this down.